The traditional community observes a system of customary law and is recognized by law as contemplated in Section 11 of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, 1996, and whereas Prince Thomas Mbhongo has been identified as Inkosi of the Manala Mbhongo traditional community as contemplated in Section 211 of the Constitution. I, Maria, the Philo Msweni, Premier of Mpumalanga Province, hereby in terms of Section 19(1)B, read with Section 19(2)B of the Mpumalanga Traditional Leadership and Governance Act 2005, Act number 3 of 205, and with immediate effect recognize Prince Thomas Mbhongo, ID number 740804537085 as Inkosi of the Manala Mbhongo traditional community. Signed by the Premier of the province, means R.M. Msweni, Premier, Mpumalanga Province, 27/01/2022. I'm now ending. Mbhongo Cheke, MEC, uzokunikezela certificate Senior Prince Solomon Mkuchwa Mabena. Njengoba libona uyayichaza-ke u-MEC ukuthi certificate abanikeli wena njengomuntu, banikela ubukhosi, kungakho enza ngale endlela. Umntwana enkosi omkhulu uzokuthatha certificate adlulele kumntwana enkosi uLibandla obekwayo namhlanje njengenkosi eManala Mbhongo.